Sara from AverageBetty here, and I'm making oven-roasted vegetables. If you're like me, your mom always said, "Don't wear so much eyeliner, you look trashy," and eat your vegetables. And oven roasting vegetables is a simple, easy, and fresh way to make mom happy. Let's make oven roasted vegetables. I've got a beautiful Idaho red potato here. Choosing vegetables with pretty skin is important when you're roasting vegetables, and an Idaho potato with a red skin is the supermodel of the potato world. It's also important to cut all the vegetables into even-sized pieces. This is an acorn squash, also great color. Scoop out the seeds. You can roast these if you want, just like pumpkin seeds. And like the potato, you want to get this into similar sized pieces. I've got a bowl, and here are the potatoes I just cut up, and the acorn squash. These are Brussels sprouts. Simmer down, you can use any vegetables you want, and these cute little pearl onions. Oh, you're so cute! Drizzle with a little olive oil. Drizzle! This is some coarse salt, a few cracks of pepper, and any other seasonings you like. I'm going for a little garlic powder, and this is some chipotle chili powder. Pew, pew! Stir this all around and get the vegetables coated with the olive oil and seasonings. This is a foil-lined baking sheet. For easier cleanup, pour the vegetables out onto the baking sheet. Get all that goodness on there. The vegetables will roast best if you can get them into a single layer, like so. Bake in a preheated oven, and when they're done, they'll look like this. Gotta make sure they're nice and tender. You know the potatoes are my favorite. Serve them up just like this. Or turn them into a vegetarian entree with a topping of romesco or other favorite sauce. Get the roasted vegetables recipe at AverageBetty.com. I hope you'll try oven roasting some vegetables soon. After all, when has mom ever steered you wrong? All that eyeliner did make me look trashy. Thanks for watching and subscribing. See you next time. Oven roasted vegetables.